Okay. Now the delicate detailed parts of the blue jay, we got to make sure after you put the blue in to do the very fine lines of the feathering. And okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put these over here. Just a touch more water. And we're going to do this. Okay. There we go, guys. Now, I'm going to use more of a gray tone as I move down the bird's body. Very light gray, actually, not too dark. And we're going to go along here, right behind the tail, the bottom of the tail there. The chest is white, and the so the chest is white. Right here is white on the face. We're gonna paint. We're gonna go back and paint the crest blue, that beautiful blue we have. I don't know what color blue it is. I have watercolors, but to me it looks like a beautiful cornflower blue. It is a beautiful blue, like the blue jay is, and they're such a beautiful bird. I have them where I live. That's what inspires me to paint them. Oh, here is my watercolors, everyone. They're a no-name brand. I don't know who makes them, but yeah, I just got them today, and I have not painted in so long, my friends, that I am so anxious to start. And also, if you could please like and subscribe to my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. I am a small YouTuber. I just started, and I would love some subscribers. That would greatly be appreciated. Here we go, guys. We're just gonna see, they have a beautiful black crest behind, I'm sorry, under the crest. They have a beautiful black marking of a mask. And look at this. It's so pretty. Very fluffy. Okay, there we go. Very pretty. They have a really little line there. Beautiful line. And we're going to do the eyes. A beautiful pitch black. We're going to leave white there to make it look like a reflection, like the bird can see out of his eyes. So we just put a little more black onto that. Let's see. And the beak as well is black. Gonna make a little more of a, there we go. There we go. Very nice. Okay. There. Okay, guys, so let that dry just a pinch, and then I will be doing, I think I'll make the beak a little blacker. Because it is a very black beak. Okay. Alrighty, my friends, so now we're gonna make some details in the wings. These wings are really pretty, guys. And okay, let's see. Trying to, okay, right along here they have a middle line that goes up each feather. And we're just gonna try to go around 2 little black lines in each of the feathers. Get some detail going in there like the bird has. I like to do paintings with the detail, especially get it correct. Okay, let's see. A little here and there, making the tips round them off a little bit. Okay, very nice. And these up here as well, put a little round edge to them. Very nice, make them nice and soft. Okay, so now we have the bird's wings looking good. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of an edge to this right here on the bottom. They have like that rounded edge. So this will give the bird a little more dimension. Okay, very pretty. Skin okay. And they have little black feet. I'll tell you, with watercolors, I learned that, I haven't done this in years, that use very little water when you're using them, else it will go all over the place. So it's better we use less water using these when we paint. Here we go. So now I'm just going to do the tail in that beautiful blue, and I'll be done soon. And we'll just do the branch the bird is sitting on as well. So let's go back. We'll do some blue. Yeah, it's a pretty blue. I think it's like a cornflower blue, they call it. So let's do this. Pretty blue. Okay. That looks so nice. I love the blues and the white. Blue, white, black is such a pretty color on the birds. On any bird, it looks so beautiful. It's amazing what colors certain birds are. Okay, so let's see, guys. We go just a little more over there. Okay, so now, as that's drying, I will be doing, there's a branch with a thicker brush. I'm going to use a pretty, like, brown tone. It's got purple. I thought it was a whole different color. See, sometimes the colors are deceiving. They look different than what they really are. Let me see what this one is. Yeah, I could use this. It's okay. Unless you get the idea that it is a brush, a branch. And with that, you know, you get the general idea that is a branch. And there we go. I just use a wider one for that as I'm painting. I'm going to be mixing a little darker brown in with that. Let's see how this looks. Okay, a little more realistic. Okay, here we go. And we're going to go over here as well by the tail. Don't want to use too much water in that area. Okay, very nice. And I'm going to make it as well a little bit darker along the branch. Okay, very nice. Usually it's a brown like that. And yes, that is coming along nicely. Okay, very good. So now guys, I just am going to put fine detail on the feather with some black line. Let me get that. Very thin black feathery lines. I'm going to put one down the center of the feather. And let's see, we're going to put one down here as well. And now I'm going to put lines across the tail here. Very fine black feathers lines they have all along the tail. Okay. On each feather. And there we have it, guys. We have our blue jay. I hope you like them. And please subscribe. And I will subscribe to you if you are in our channel. I'll subscribe back. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I forgot to add just a tiny bit of line, black line here, so we can see it a little better, just on the bottom, so it pops out a little more. And this way, you can see it better. Here we go. There you go. That's better. Thank you so much. Have a great morning, noon, night, wherever you're watching from. Bye. Please subscribe.